All right. Back at it. You know what, like, messed up part is? I am actually enjoying myself, but I am, like, it's like every other episode I enjoy, and then every other one I hate playing this game. Uh, Now I'm just so, but like also I'm like I've gone too far. I'm at day 285. I have under 100 left. I can't. I just can't bring myself to quit now. Uh, and there's something I know it will feel so sweet when I upload the final one of these and I'm freed. It's sort of like delayed gratification, you know? It's going to be nice. So I am doing this because I enjoy it and I will get joy out of it, but I'm also doing it in spite of disliking it, if that makes sense. If that makes any sort of sense. That's the a bunch of weird food. Go refill my water bottle. Because I'm sure once I reach the island, I'll forget that I need to eat before I leave. Wow, this music's really blasting, huh? Let's, uh, let's actually turn that down just ever so slightly. I had it turned up so I could hear the radio, but no need for such things. All right, Whitebird will be one to get. Are there any other mobs? What about those weird hog things? I guess maybe in Utopia I can find more hyenas. I doubt I can get the radioactive hyenas. I shouldn't have tossed all of their like the big one's head, but here we are. Phew, we're really high up now. It's hard to tell when you don't have the context of the place, but like we're getting there, dude. They should make a hang glider in this game. That'd be killer. Someone mod that in for me right now. I'm just kidding, don't do it. I won't. I will not be playing this game ever again after I finish this series. As much as I love this game and I think it's incredible, this is the last of it, you know. I'll probably keep this world and show it to like a couple of my friends, but just to so they can experience the horror of this tower, the nightmare. But I will probably never just play this game straight up again, no matter what mod comes out for it. It's just too much. It's simply just too much. Wow. Just silent up here. It's so loud down below, but up here, could really find myself like sitting down and meditating, just staring at the sky, watching the birds float overhead. It's, as much as I've been sort of ragging on myself for my horrible decision and saying like, oh, I hate it, I do love this game. How close are we? Oh, we're pretty close. Should be spawning in any second, which will, I'm sure, just absolutely ruin my game with lag for a moment. I am like, I have definitely reached the point where I'm like constantly thinking about like, oh, I hope I don't build so big that like the game crashes and I like lose my save. Oh, what a nightmare. If on like day like 340 or whatever, I'm just like, I like put down one board too many, and the game is just like shits out and like, oh, you can't get your save back, file's corrupted or whatever. My worst nightmare, my worst fear. We gotta be pretty close to Caravan Town. I guess it's sort of a small island compared to the others, so it doesn't like, you don't see it on the horizon quite so like far out, but because with the glacier one, you like are like not that far. You're like very far out when you first like start to catch the edge of it with this line of sight. If there's anyone out there, please come seek me out. I sort of wish that this game had like some sort of like online multiplayer kind of deal, even if you couldn't like really interact and like play together. I know there, but like I mean, like I wish I could just like run into another raft once I like hit the end game. And there'd just be a person on it, even if we like there was no combat and we could just like hop around each other and look at each other's raft. That'd be nice. Does Caravan Town even exist, bro? What's going on? Pretty close. 436 is not that far out. Even as I look out the corner of my eye. There's a smudge that's been on my monitor like since I started recording this game, and every time I've been playing, I think I'm seeing an island off in the distance because there's just a little smudge, and I must clean it. I simply have to. Oh, there's Caravan Town. Yep. We'll get a good look as we arrive. Wow. Kind of trivializes some of the aspects of this, huh? Why didn't I build something like this the first time? I need to look up what the like small like trophy things are for and the medium ones. Because so far the only ones that seem to hold anything are the big ones. And I'm like, can I put fish on the wall? What's the deal with those? I'll look that up in between sessions maybe. Bandar Kafila. I don't remember that from the first time. It'd be cool if after you finish the game there were like people on all the islands, like building little towns and stuff. I know that that would be a huge like thing to make for the game to help. birds. But imagine if they did. Ah, yeah, the bird is still here. Cool. Let me just grab... I reckon I have it. Yeah. Because I might not have the distance, but I'd like to just sort of cheese this a little bit. Oh, bees, yeah. I always do it wrong. I thought I was making sure I wasn't doing it wrong, but I always do it wrong. Okay. Flying leap. Not sure that was worth it, all things considered. Scrap? No. Brother, where am I? Up, 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 through the bees. Can I make this jump? Nope. Oh no, up this way. Over here. Have a little sip of water. Eat a little shark meat. Ooh, aha. Great, nighttime. Perfect. That's what I like when I'm fighting a giant bird from hell. Hey, cooked omelet though. Oh, and there are the pigs here, so I wonder if I can kill one of them. Oh, biofuel, nice. Oh, coconut, less interesting, but fine. Where'd the bird go? I just saw him, I swear. Oh, there he is. Oh, well. I wish I could light these. Where'd you fly off to? Oh, there you are. Fuck. Where'd you go? He just zooms away. Oh, there he is. Dude, what is with these whiffs? What the heck, dude? Okay, there we go. Oh, shoot. Just landing in the same spot over and over again. At least it's like not too far away. At least he's not like flying all the way down to the bottom. My lost the Far Cry skill set. Whoa. Is it ripping a rock out of the top of it? Oh my god. My boat. Fuck me, dude. Cannot hit this thing. Oh yeah, land somewhere I can see you. It's an awful noise I made. Way down there this time. Wow, perfect. Alright. Go. So let's real quick. Take a look around. Grab some useless garbage. I don't think there are any coins on this island, and I know I could like hunt around for scrap, but I just don't really care. Look at it tilt, dude. Oh my gosh. It's getting crazy. I guess it's just gonna look more and more crazy the more I do. Put stuff up before we head up. Just not be putting stuff away anyways. Why are we always floating directly into these places now? Just head straight forward for a minute. It's really like you can do as little or as much as you want in this game. Because I've like killed two like major, well, killed quote unquote. The mother bear is kind of a stretch, I guess, but I've like, gone to two like story locations and like gotten animal heads and all sorts of stuff. And then in another episode, I just walked up and down this tower over and over again. Right, that's probably good. Don't want to waste the engine. We'll hop upstairs. Boom. Beautiful. It's looking nice. The boar's head is so big, dude. It's crazy. I guess I was talking about going and killing a pig. I don't necessarily know that matters. But also I think that's the pig spot right over there, so I could just pop over. Wonder. No, probably, right? But get right up against it. Raise anchor, or lower anchor. And then let me pop up here. And we'll kill one of these boars. Oh wow. That was not as good of a jump as I was hoping for. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. Oh, and day has risen. So I've actually overplayed quite a bit. Alright, I will be back